Alright, it is Sunday, about 11 o'clock, and I do not like to work on Sundays. I typically don't work on Sundays. But as you can see, we got pounded with snow, and we are almost ready for steel. I got a little straightening on the fascia to go, but it's supposed to be 35 tomorrow, 40 on Tuesday, so I want to get this roof wrapped up because then it's going to be frigid cold. So I came out here. I'm going to go ahead and clean all this snow out of here and get 100% ready for steel tomorrow morning, so when we get here we can just get right after it. It's supposed to be calm winds Monday and Tuesday, I think 10 or less, so I kind of didn't have a choice. Probably got 12 or more inches of snow out here, so I got to get this cleaned up. All right guys, we're back out here this morning. We're gonna try to get the roof on today, so we gotta start with some drip edge. Came out here, cleaned this all out yesterday. Got it all ready, got the fascia straightened, so we were ready to rock and roll. So hopefully we have 2 days to get this roof on, so that's the goal. Let's get after it. Gonna have to kind of go up on the edge. Hopefully we don't lose it off the edge or it'll bend. All right, Jake, I'll hold this. Okay. Do you wanna, can you cut that? Yeah. As long as we slide it straight, it shouldn't scratch it. So I'm gonna put it right here, okay? Okay. I'm gonna get up here and I'm just gonna kind of pull it. You can kind of creep yourself in here if you want. All right, now I'm just gonna inch this up because this is really slippery, and once I get this on, then I'm gonna put those, once we get 2 sheets up, I'm gonna put the magnet. Screws? Yeah. So I can just drag it. I just need you to make sure it doesn't fly off. Okay. Now, how do you look at that line? The string line?
Well, 4 inches.
So I need to come this way?
Yep. A little bit more. Oh.
Is it pretty straight?
Outside, come down. That's good.
How's the inside look?
Well, it looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good right there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put a screw in it and then I'll come down there.
Okay.
You want a straight line? Yeah. Okay. Oh dang, that looks good, buddy. Let me screw a roll across here and in the middle.
Okay.
Then we'll move on. I'll run a screw, roll screw here, there, and then if the next one goes on and it lays out real nice, we're pretty much home free for the most part.
Okay.
It's this first one, we got to make sure we're 100% square. Yeah, we got a piece of metal on. This is looking pretty dry, so I can get those cougar paws on, and then I can operate off the metal. All right, guys, we're getting the roof installed right now, and I bought a couple pair of cougar paws, one for me and Jake. So we're gonna try them out for the first time today. I hope they help, because it's pretty hard to walk on metal, especially if it's wet or anything like that. It's pretty dangerous. So we're gonna try these out. They got a magnet inside the soles, so you don't wanna walk in the ground. They got some booties that come with them. So we're gonna try them out and see how they work.
I'm good here.
2.5. 2.5. And then we'll do, where they overlap, I do both sides, so.
Okay.
So let me get one more screw in, and then you can start moving. Let me just do, I might as well do 2 more. All right. All right, we're on our last piece. We had to cut it. And the reason, we had bent this end up just like a 1/2 inch. And that's our corner trim will come over the top, and then if any water, snow, ice would make its way under there, it'll hit this bend and go out the bottom with the rest of the water, versus over the side and then possibly getting down in your wall and stuff like that. So they actually make a really nice tool for that, which I don't have. So we do it at 3 inches at a time. Here's the thing, Jake. Get this skid steer backed over there.
Yeah.
And then maybe try to creep this around the corner a little. I don't know. It's gonna slide. There's no way it won't slide. I'll get the rest of them. Where were you going? 2 3/8?
Yeah.
All right. All right, ready? All right, well, that's a wrap for the day. We have one more nice day. We have one whole side complete, and then we're a little over halfway on the other side. So we should be able to finish up with all the roof steel in the morning. Hopefully get the ridge cap on by the end of the day. And then we have 2 days of really, really cold weather. But it was a good day overall, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, welcome back today. It's supposed to be 40 today almost, so the roof has some frost on it, so while we're waiting for that to clear off to finish the roof, we're going to start on soffit and fascia. So hopefully we can wrap the roof up, get all the soffit fascia and the ridge cap on today. I think we got it. All right, so now hold that up on that line. You got it?
Yep.
All right, staple that up there. And then I'll straighten that edge.
You want it?
No, it's on that blue line right there. Together. That's it. Here, watch your fingers. Put it straight up like that.
Okay.
And then push hard. But sometimes it'll do it. You got to push really hard. There. Make sense?
Yeah.
I'll get you some more staples before you start going up. If it sticks over a little like this, that's fine.
Okay.
But if it gets much more than that, then we have to mark it with a pencil and then just cut it. I think that looks pretty good. All right guys, well that's gonna be a wrap for this video. We got the roof all on, we have all the soffit on. We just have to do the fascia and the corner trims going up the roof and the ridge cap. But we're gonna be done here for a couple days because it's be down to the single digits, negative 20, 30 wind chill. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and we will catch you on the next video.